So I've got this Dell XPS15. This is a 9550 model, but what I'm going to say applies also to 9560, I guess, and maybe other models. I've got it for cheap last year. Very pleased with the device. Good battery time, nice touchpad, fairly okay keypad. Actually, the display is very good. This is an i7 generation 7 machine, 24 gigs of RAM, quite okay. What I needed is to have a bit more storage on the device, and it came with 256 gigs of SSD. And I was thinking, well, I have this SSD hard disk, so why not put it in? And this is what I'm going to do in the next minutes. There are several models of this PC or laptop rather. Mine comes with a 56 watt battery, which allows for putting such a SSD inside. There is another model with 80 something watts. I don't recall exactly. I can put that in the description with a link. That one has a full-length battery beneath, and that will not allow you to put such a hard disk inside, or SSD rather. So what I need to do, get out the screws, 4 on the top, 4 on the bottom, well, depends how you look at it, 1 and 1 on the sides. For that one you'll need a T5 star screwdriver, and then beneath the service tag lid there are 2 others where you can use I use a PH0 bit for the screwdriver. So let's take it apart. Yeah, just like that. This moves on. Yeah, well, so this is what I was talking about. This is a 56 watts battery, and it's not a full length. So this allows me actually to put the hard disk in here. Now, as you can see, there is a plate I have to dismantle, and then install the hard disk beneath that. But as you can see, there is no connector in here to do that. I'll show you just in a moment. So as you can see, this is just a stupid plate, and it will not hold the hard disk inside. Furthermore, what to do? Actually, there is an adapter you'll have to buy. I got mine on AliExpress. I'll put a link beneath in the description. And what you get is actually this set of rubber bands which go on the side of the hard disk, and that will ensure that it stays fit inside the lid. And then there is this connector, which I don't know why Dell does not supply this with the machine, but doesn't matter. You can buy it online, no problem. As you can see, there is an adapter from the hard disk to the motherboard, and it goes just here. The connector has a mounting handle, so to speak. So this is rather a matter of taking this in your hands, putting it down, and that's it. Which we will do just now. So that's it. There is no more to it. You'll have to ensure that it fits. You'll jiggle it on its place. And then, of course, we need to connect this to the connector. Put the rubber band back. Well, this is going to be a tight fit, but eventually you'll get it, no problem. So, having done that, now it is just a matter of putting the lid back in place. And I can already feel that this is going to be a tight fit, which is good. Like that, and this one goes here. And then 2 more to go. Don't tighten it all the way down yet. First just put it on place, and then you can drive it all the way down. When you ensure that everything is correctly in place, then you can tighten everything up. Oh well, in principle I should have disconnected the battery for doing this, but well, I've got it for cheap, who cares? Well, actually that's it, there's no more to it. It bulges a bit one place, but that's okay. I don't know if I want to fiddle with that. Then, if you have a full-length battery, your only option is to take the already existing SSD out and put a bigger one, but well, I don't know. Some people go for battery time, some people go for storage. I am very pleased with it as it is, so this is quite okay. It's gonna be just fine. So there is nothing more to it, it's just to put the lid back and try it out. Of course, I could not resist. I took the plate out and put the rubber band properly fitted, and now everything is flush. And just dusted a bit the blowers, and actually now I can put the lid back. So everything is flush. Right. Now I can tighten everything up. Right. So that's it. Now there is 1 more terabyte of SSD inside this machine. Let's give it some juice and power it up. This is taking way more time than it usually did. Problems. Okay, debugging time. I'll be back. So it took a while to boot up. Finally it did. I guess there's something in the BIOS and so on. I was not looking at it. Inside Windows, it's only the original hard disk which pops up, but when going into the disk management application, then I can actually see that the disk is there, and it's actually not initialized. It's initialized. It's not allocated. Of course it's not. Yeah, get the max size. I don't care for much partitions here. D, it's fine. Yeah. Wow. So, what do you know? Now I have it available. So I guess that's it. So what it took is that adapter connector from AliExpress. As I said, I'll put a link down in the description. Pop off the lid, put it in, put the lid back, initialize the hard disk in Windows, and that should do the trick. Okay, guys. Bye.